Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to allow and don't allow media and Apple Music and content and privacy restrictions on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X for your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Screen Time. Then in the screen time, scroll down again and click the content and privacy restrictions. Then after that, in the content and privacy restrictions, scroll down and go to privacy sections, then click the media and Apple Music. Then in the media and Apple Music, if you want to change it to don't allow changes, just click it until there's a check mark on the side. This allowing changes locks the settings below and prevents new apps from accessing Apple Music and using your media library. And if you want to change it to allow changes, just click it until there's also a check mark on the side. And that's it. We have successfully allow and don't allow media and Apple Music and content and privacy restrictions on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!